Hi there, Chris here. I'm going to do a quick stock lock Sunday, and I have this Avis 64 Ti 30. There's the bidding on the key, and this was sent to me by Chris Jones. Yes. So he sent me some cool little locks, and this was one of them. So I'm going to, I should show it working and all that. Show the bitting. Come on. So there's the bitting on the key, which is pretty good bitting. Bitting. Nice little snap for this little guy. So I'm going to use my little tension wrench, my regular pick. Oh, that might be too close. All right. We good? Okay. So with most of these Avis padlocks, I like to get situated in the first 3 pins. Get them set or close to set, and then go in for the kill. Somebody in the back. And there we go. So I want to do that again because I didn't quite see that core turn within the first 2 or 3 pins. Okay, so I hit 2 and then 1, and then I got a little core turn. And then I hit 3, and I got a little movement. Oops. There we go. I overset 4, but then I let it drop back down, and we're in. So very, very cool little Avis Titanium. Very first block I picked on my channel was an Avis Titanium, the 55, I don't know, whatever the cool one is. Anyway, thank you, Chris Jones, for sending me this very cool lock. I love the tiny locks. If you've watched my channel, you know that. Anyway, hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question. And I will see you next time. Happy Stock Lock Sunday. Oh, and it's also Super Bowl Sunday. So, go football. See you next time.